Aloha and welcome to this brief tutorial on APA formatting. So AP formatting is one of the most common formatting styles found at UH West Oahu. And this type of formatting requires a specific format for citing. This includes an author's last name and year of publication. Now, AP formatting is most common in our business department, in our nursing courses, in our public administration courses, and other social sciences. So, just to be clear, that whenever we're using APA formatting within an essay that we're writing, we should place a citation after every instance of a borrowed source. So a citation for APA formatting, again, should include an author's last name followed by the year of publication. Here's an example of a book. It's called, or titled, Living with Aloha and a Sense of Place, and it was written by Kim Choi in 2007. To format an APA style citation for this particular author and this particular work, we would include the author's last name, followed by a comma, and then the year of publication. So let's look at an example. Just to be clear, you need to cite when both paraphrasing and direct quoting. So here's an example of the book that I just referred to, and it's a sentence that I pulled out of it, a direct quotation from the book. So in order to place an in-text citation within this sentence, I simply need to place the author's last name followed by a comma and the year of publication in parentheses at the very end of the direct quotation. Now let's look at another example. In this example, I've essentially just paraphrased the last sentence, and I've changed it from a direct quote to a paraphrase. I still need to cite this sentence or these sentences because I borrowed this information from a source. So again, we would include the author's last name followed by a comma and then the year of publication. A citation will look exactly the same for a paraphrase as it would a direct quote. The only thing with the direct quote is that we can actually place a page number. So we could put at the end of 2007, we could say something like P period and then the page number. But in essence, you always need to include at minimum an author's last name followed by a year of publication for an APA cited sentence.